Namaste. I'm Dr. Jayashree Om, Vedic Vastu consultant and author of the book Vastu Remedies Manifest Your Dreams. Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a place and felt lighter, softer, and somehow safer? That's not just coincidence, that's energy. Every wall, every corner, every direction carries energy that speaks to you quietly and constantly. And when that energy flows in balance, life flows with grace. That's exactly what inspired me to write Vastu Remedies. Have you ever wondered why I wrote this book? Well, in my years of visiting homes across India, abroad, I saw a pattern. People were doing everything right, working hard, staying positive, and still something felt stuck. They'd ask me, Dr. Om, why? Why my home is so cluttered? My home is already built. Ab kya kare? And that's where the idea of this book was born. You don't need to rebuild your home, you just need to realign it. Vastu Remedies is not about breaking walls or spending lakhs, it's about awareness of how your home's energy supports your dream. Let me tell you what this book offers. In this book, I have shared simple, practical remedies that anyone can follow, whether you live in a high rise apartment or a cozy townhome. You'll discover how to invite more light, how to guide energy in the right direction, and how small intentional changes like placing a diya or clearing clutter can shift your life's vibration. Every remedy is backed by ancient scriptures, decoded from ancient scriptures like Vishwakarma Prakash, Manushya Chandrika, Sri Rajvallabh, and Sri Samrangan Sutradhar. It's not superstition, it's science, the sacred wisdom given by the sages. The Vastu science was first narrated by Lord Shiva, then carried forward by sage Parasar, sage Brihadratha, and Lord Vishwakarma, the celestial architect who built divine cities like Dwarka, Amravati, and Chintamani Graha. As humanity moved from Satyayuga to Treta Yuga, memory and consciousness declined, and the knowledge began to fade. So sages recorded it in sacred text, the same scriptures and remedies I've quoted throughout this book to preserve its authenticity. Vastu Remedies revives this ancient wisdom, but in a way that you can use today in your apartment, office, home, or factories. The power of energy alignment. When you realign your surroundings, your thoughts start to align too. You attract clarity, confidence, and opportunities. Vastu isn't about changing destiny, it's about preparing for it, its readiness to receive. Because manifestation is simply your energy and your environment in conversation. Let's understand the book Vastu Remedies now. Vastu Remedies is a do it yourself Vastu guidebook, simple, practical, and aligned with modern living. This book has a total of 32 chapters. Inside, you'll find remedies for each direction, how to balance energies with colors, lights, and yantras, ways to invite natural light and positivity, how to align your furniture and workspace for focus and growth, how small changes like placing your bed or study table correctly can shift your energy completely. Every technique shared is authentic, quoted from the scriptures, yet simplified for your everyday living. If you're building a home, office, or factory, Vastu Remedies guides you step by step from choosing a land to doing the interiors. If your home is already built, this book offers remedies that need no structural change. And if you're a student of Vastu, it gives you scriptural reference. If you're a seeker of peace, this book becomes your daily guide. You can practice one remedy a week given in this book and just do it with awareness because remedies work not by mechanics but by conscious connection with you and your space. And as you reach the end of Vastu Remedies, you'll discover that this book is not just about directions, grids, or remedies. It's about the inner alignment between you and your space. I have also shared at the end of every chapter how to get results from any Vastu tip through three divine powers, the Ichha Shakti, the Jnana Shakti, and the Kriya Shakti. These are not just words, they are sacred names of Devi, beautifully described in the Lalita Sahasranama. Ichha Shakti, the power of intention, Jnana Shakti, the power of understanding, and Kriya Shakti, the power of action. When these three unite, every remedy transforms into a living prayer because it is not what you place, but how you place it. Not what you chant, but how deeply you feel it. That is when energy flows with grace and life falls into place. For my students, Vastu Remedies is not just a book, it is a Vastu Bible, a guide, a companion, and a reminder that your home, your temple, and your soul are reflections of the same divine geometry. So, as you close this book, may your space radiate harmony, may your faith awaken strength, and may your heart remain anchored in Devi's grace. Jai Shri Hari.